How to return Temu items. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can return items that you purchased on the Temu app. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Temu app and log into the account that you purchased the items from. Now let it load up and you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is once you're logged in, tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. You can see, simply tap on U option. Now once on U, what you want to do is you want to head into the second option, your orders. Now here you can see all orders and processing, shipped, delivered, returns. Here on your all orders, now currently I don't have any orders, but if you have any orders and if you have received it or if they are on their way, then you'll find it right here. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the order that you want to return, and what you want to do is you want to tap on the return or refund option. Simply tap on return or refund option and then select the items that you want to return, and what you want to do is you want to enter your preferred shipping method, and then what you want to do is you want to print the return label and ship your package. Now once Temu receives the return package, you'll receive your refund as well. So this way you can return Temu items. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.